Hello. In this video I will show you how to make a bootable Windows flash drive using a Linux computer. There are 3 major steps. First, set the partition table and format the flash drive, then copy Windows files, at last install a bootloader. Let's start. To format the USB you need to unmount it. We will do this from gparted. Start gparted and from the top right corner select the USB device. Be careful not to select the hard drive. Right-click the mounted partition and select Unmount. Now go to Device menu and choose Create Partition Table. Choose MS-DOS and click Apply. Right-click the unallocated space and select New. Make a primary partition, format it as FAT32 or NTFS, it doesn't matter, and give it a label. Remember this label. Click the Apply button on the main window and in the dialog that appears. Let's close this. Now, right-click the partition and choose Manage Flags. We'll check Boot Flag. Let's close gparted and move on to the next step. We need to mount the Windows disk image with Furious ISO mount. Browse to the ISO path and mount it as loop. You will need root permissions. Let's copy Windows files to USB flash drive using the file manager. The flash drive gets mounted when clicking on it. Wait for the copying process to finish. We can unmount the image and close Furious now. Let's install Groove. We need to specify boot directory, which is the boot folder from flash drive. Check if it is lowercase. If not, rename it to lowercase. Let's get its path and paste it in the command. Now we need the device. You can find that in gparted if you're not sure. It is very important to use the correct device. Hit enter and type your password. If everything is okay, you will see this. Brood needs a configuration file. Go on flash drive, to the boot in the Brood folder and make an empty file named brood.cfg. Open it with the text editor and paste that code snippet inside. Replace USB drive label with the label you gave to the partition when you created it. Save the file and close. That's it. Now, if you have an EFI file in the EFI boot folder from flash drive, then your device is also UEFI bootable. Unmount the flash drive. Let's see how it boots on a classic BIOS. You will see a menu from where you need to choose the first time, Start Windows Installation. This will launch the setup. Thank you for watching.